नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्री वासुदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 10, text 11, text 12 and text 13 of chapter 18, the battle between Lord Bor and the demon Hiranyaksha of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 10. Shri Bhagwan Uvacha Satyam Vayam Bho Vanagochara Mruga Yushamad Vidhan Mrugaye Gramasimhan न मृत्युपाशैः प्रतिमुक्तस्य वीरा विकथनं तव गृहणन्त्यभद्र. The personality of Godhead said, indeed, we are creatures of the jungle and we are searching after hunting dogs like you. One who is freed from the entanglement of death has no fear from the loose talk in which you are indulging, for you are bound up by the laws of death. Demons and atheistic persons can go on insulting the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but they forget that they are subjected to the laws of birth and death. They think that simply by decrying the existence of the Supreme Lord or defying his stringent laws of nature, one can be freed from the clutches of birth and death. In Bhagavad Gita, it is said that simply by understanding the transcendental nature of God, one can go back home, back to Godhead. But demons and atheistic persons do not try to understand the nature of the Supreme Lord, therefore they remain in the entanglement of birth and death. Text 11. Ete vayam nyasahara rasaukasa gatariyo gadaya dravitaste tishtamahe athapi kathan chida jau stheyam kva yamo balinotpadya vairama. Certainly, we have stolen the charge of the inhabitants of Rasatala and have lost all shame. Although bitten by your powerful mace, I shall stay here in the water for some time, because having created enmity with a powerful enemy, I now have no place to go. The demon should have known that God cannot be driven out of any place, for he is all pervading. Demons think of their possessions as their property, but actually everything belongs to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who can take anything at any time he likes. Text 12. Tvama padarthanam kila yutha padhipo घटस्व नो अस्वस्थय आश्वनुः संस्थाप्य चास्मान् प्रवृजाश्रु स्वकानां यः स्वां प्रतिज्ञां नातिपि पर्त्यसभ्यः. You are supposed to be the commander of many foot soldiers, and now you may take prompt steps to overthrow us. Give up all your foolish talk and wipe out the cares of your kith and kin by slaying us. One may be proud, yet he does not deserve a seat in an assembly if he fails to fulfill his promised word. A demon may be a great soldier and commander of a large number of infantry, but in the presence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he is powerless and is destined to die. The Lord therefore challenged the demon not to go away, but to fulfill his promised word to kill him. Text 13. Maitreya Uvacha So adhikshipto bhagavata pralabdhasacha rushabhrusham ajaha rorbanam krodham kridyamano ahiradiva. Sri Maitreya said, the demon being thus challenged by the personality of Godhead became angry and agitated, and he trembled in anger like a challenged cobra. A cobra is very fierce before ordinary persons, but before an enchanter who can play with him, he is a plaything. Similarly, a demon may be very powerful in his own domain, but before the Lord, he is insignificant. The demon Ravan was a fierce figure before the demigod, but when he was before Lord Ramachandra, he trembled and prayed to his deity Lord Shiv, but to no avail. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.